Well, it's Sunday morning and we're all trying to get dug out. There's the house and the piles of snow in front of the house. Looks like neighbors have come out to try to get us dug out. Scott and Steve have been working all morning with the snowblower. I'll walk up there and see what's going on. By my estimates, the snow has compacted overnight by about 5 to 6 inches, so it's a whole lot heavier now than it was. Here's Kenny's truck. Barely, you can see the end of it. There's everybody working, trying to get us dug out. I can walk through this little pathway. There's Scott.